Step 1. Using a pencil, mark where you'll be placing your brackets within the recess of your window. Use the holes in the brackets as a guide for where to draw your markers. Step 2. Drill pilot holes into each bracket at the corners of the window frame. The pilot holes are used as a guide for where the screws will be fixed. Step 3. Using the pilot holes as a guide, screw your brackets into the window frame. Step 4. With the brackets successfully secured, install the lower blind first by locating the pin into its respective bracket. Then slide the control end into its bracket, clicking it into place. Step 5. Install the top roller blind by again clicking it into place. Ensure that the chain falls neatly into the chain guide to avoid any jamming. Step 6. To stop your blind from over-rolling, attach the supplied limiter or ball stop to the chain. To work out where it should be, simply roll the blind to where you would like it to stop and clip the limiter onto the appropriate bead. Step 7. Carefully secure the child safety hook or P-clip supplied. For an easy guide, be sure to drill pilot holes first. And there you have it. You have successfully installed your brand new double roller blinds.